Looking to remove VBA macro code from your Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files on Mac? Introducing SysTools Mac VBA Macro Remover Tool. A powerful and easy-to-use tool designed to remove malicious or unnecessary VBA macros from Microsoft Office documents. Key features of the software. Batch macro removal. Remove VBA macros from multiple Office files at once using bulk processing. Add files or add folder options. Choose individual files or entire folders for fast and flexible macro removal. File compatibility. Compatible with several Office files such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Preserves file formatting. Removes only the macros while keeping your data, layout, and formatting intact. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Mac VBA Macro Remover. Then click top search results with official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download for Mac button. Once install the software, launch on your Mac. You'll be greeted with a simple and clean interface. Here, you will see two options to add VBA project data. Add files or add folder option. Click on the Add File button and browse the VBA project file. You can select single or multiple files. Once select the file, click on the Open button. Once the file is added, you can view all VBA project data in the software preview pane. Also, if you have added wrong file or folder, then you can remove the easily file using Remove and Remove All options. If checked, Save VBA Code as TXT file option, the tool will extract and save the original macro code from each document into a plain text file before deleting the macros from the document. To change the destination path, click on Change button. Select the desired destination location to save the files. After that, click on the Next button. After completing the process, VBA macro removal process completed successfully will pops up. Click on the OK. The final summary view after the macro removal process is complete. This section gives you a quick and detailed overview of each file processed. The first column is the source path. It shows the exact file location of the processed document on your system. Next, VBA code exists. This column confirms whether any VBA macro code was found in the file. In VBA, password exists. This confirms you if the macro code was protected by a password. Finally, the status column shows a status of removed, which means the tool successfully removed any macros even from password-protected files or confirmed no macros were present in the others. Click View Report button. Navigate to your selected destination folder to access the macro files. And that's it. You've successfully removed VBA macro code from your files. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.